So there's some kind of pool bar or something there. White rock. How beautiful is that? Wow. How beautiful is that? Wow. Very, very nice. Lots of lounging areas. Nice close-up zoom on this one also. Wow. Very, very beautiful. To finish up for the day here at Pantai Melasti. Been an absolutely fabulous day. There's a white rock. How beautiful is that? Wow. Oh la la. Let's have a look at our shipwreck from probably a better angle. Asians here. Wow. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around about 4:30 p.m. I'm here in the Ungasan / Uluwatu area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a visit to Melasti Beach. So Melasti Beach, located on the Bukit Peninsula here in the Ungasan Uluwatu area of Bali, is a beautiful white sand beach, crystal clear ocean with a beautiful limestone cliff backdrop. So the entrance fee to Melasti Beach is 15,000 for international visitors. I think it's 10,000 for domestic. So I'm going to provide you a full tour of the beach. I'm going to take a stroll on the beach with the camera, giving you a look around there. I've also got the drone with me, so I'm going to give you some beautiful drone footage from above, which I think is going to be the most spectacular way to view this beautiful beach location. Now the beach is divided into like two sections. It's two separate beach locations all along the back of the beach. I think there's 5 or 6 beach clubs in total, so you can get all of your food and drinks, fine dining and things from those places. I'll take the drone up, like I say, give you a full view of those. They all have swimming pools overlooking the beach and the ocean, so we'll get some spectacular footage with the drone. And then I'm just going to give you a general idea of what you can expect from this beautiful beach location here in the Ungasan / Uluwatu area of Bali. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and share with you Melasti Beach. Okay, so here's the main entrance to Melasti Beach now. Ticket office is here. 15,000 for international tourists. Okay, so here we are. We just come through the gates now to Pantai Melasti. The Indonesians having the photos taken there. It's extremely busy. Car parking here for cars and motorbikes in this area. We're going to make our way over here. Wow. Mainly, all I can see is Indonesian. Oh, lifeguard tower there. Just here we have people taking the photos. There's the Pantai Melasti. The helicopter going across there. Wow. Just give you a look on this other side as well. Here we have 2 sections of beach. All very, very busy. Wow. Okay, we're going to head over across to this side of the beach. Just walk along the track here. Everyone's sat on the wall here. All the Indonesians here. Wow. How busy the beach is. So busy. I'm taking the photos. Oh, we have the stairway down to the beach here. Swim prohibited in this area, however people are swimming. Super busy. Okay, we're down on the beach now. The Tropical Temptation Beach Club there. Some people here. Super busy. Wow, amazing. Okay, so there's a full view of one of the sections of beach here. Sun is just going down behind the rocks now. We have our other section of beach over there. I'll take you over there in a moment. So, focus on this one for now. We have some beach clubs at the back of the beach here. This one's Tropical Temptation. I know that because I've featured it in a video. Just bring you across. There's the Tropical Temptation. Let's give you a zoom down. Beautiful swimming pools there. They have a DJ music on. Beautiful statue as well. Wow. Okay, we're zoomed down close there now to Tropical Temptation. Have a good see what's going on there. How beautiful is that? Wow. Very, very nice. Lots of lounging areas. Nice, plenty of swimming pool area. Restaurant in the back there. Beautiful statue. And that's where the DJ is down there. And then just next door to Tropical Temptation, we have another place here. There's actually two in the corner here. Let's just take you across and give you a zoom in on this one. I'll zoom you down from here. There's a look at that one. Another nice looking place. I shall add the names of these places in the video after. And then just next door we have another place. Wow. There's a zoom down to the pool area there. I'll bring you back and close up zoom on this one also. Wow, very, very beautiful. That's nice. Let's have a look at our shipwreck from probably a better angle. Okay, just down on the beach now. So, Indonesia families here. Very, very busy. Wow. Oh, we have some tourists here. Beautiful ocean. Sat on the rocks. Okay, just at the back of the beach now. Here's one of the beach clubs. People hanging off the edge here. There's the pool. Wow. Some lounges. So we do have Western tourists here as well. Now just look how busy this is. So busy. Wow. This is what you call a busy beach. There is Western tourists here as well. It's mostly Indonesian. Wow. Big group of Western tourists there. Oh, there's many Western here. Nice to see. So here we are going direct into sunlight. We have quite a few Western tourists. Groups of Western tourists here. Wow, interesting. Very nice. Wow. Lots of people in the ocean as well. Okay, so here's a look at the beach in the other direction. There are a few beach clubs along the back here as well. Nice and busy on the beach here. Wow. Very, very nice. There's a Pantai Melasti on the cliff in the distance. Turn you around and have a look at the beach club. I think right behind me now, this one coming into, now this is the Black Rock or White Rock. Very, very nice. Wow, look at that. I'll take the drone up higher so you can get a better visual on that. Okay, so there we are, zoomed in quite on half zoom now. So there's some kind of pool bar or something there. White Rock. How beautiful is that? Wow. Very, very nice. It's a nice place for you to go, White Rock. Okay, we're losing light a little bit now. We can just get the rest of these beach clubs now. There's two more to do. There's one of them. Let's zoom into that. Very, very nice. Now zoomed in a little bit more. The lighting now is changing onto dusk. Oh, very nice. And just from that one there, we have one more over here. It's just sort of in the, you can see it there. Take you up a little bit higher. Close up on the pool. The red on the wall there from the White Rock. And there's our last place here on the beach. Wow. Give you a full span now. Just to finish up for the day here at Pantai Melasti. Been an absolutely fabulous day. There's a White Rock. How beautiful is that? Wow. Oh la la. So, so beautiful. Pantai Melasti, good night. Okay, so that concludes today's video. My visit to Pantai Melasti / Melasti Beach here in Ungasan. I think it's classified as South Kuta area, even though it's nowhere near Kuta. So it's around about just before 6:30 p.m. now, so I've actually been here for a couple of hours, taking you around, explore both sides, both sections of the beach. So as you saw, beautiful white sand beach, crystal clear ocean, lots of Indonesian families come here visiting this beach, and particularly on the weekends it's even more busy than it was today on the weekends. But there was a few tourists as well mixed in with the Indonesian families. Lining the back of the beach you've got the splendid beach clubs. Some of those look absolutely magnificent and out of this world. I have actually visited the Tropical Temptation one that we saw in the video. She'll add the link in the video description for those of you that want to take a closer look at that place. I did have food and drinks there, so you can have a look at the price and the menus and things. But you've got all the different choice of all the beach clubs lining all the back of the beach. I think all of them are going to offer you an out of this world experience, and as is Pantai Melasti, it's going to offer you an absolutely fabulous Bali beach experience. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, and I hope you take the time out to visit Pantai Melasti, and I shall say bye for now.